Yeah, what's up, everybody? Jason Wilkin, Real FOREX King, back for a daily Forex recap for good old Wednesday, October 21st. So today the market was crazy, you could say. There are some news events that happened. You can see a lot of news for GBP during London session, and then you got some news like during New York session that affected Canadian dollar throughout the day. If you trade that pair, as well as USD pairs. So pretty much, if we go into the charts, before that, let's look at investing.com. Right now, the Dow is just up and down because of all this speculation about the stimulus. So it has been approved, therefore, it's like causing a lot of uncertainty for investors. But right now, let's look at gold. So gold pretty much shot up through Asian session over here, and then London session, it consolidated, and then shot up during like New York session. The gold's been like overall uptrend today. The Dow, as you can see, it's nasty. Look at that. Right now, it's like sells, but we're in an area right here, a demand zone. So this area has been respected, and it's just playing around testing it due to the whole stimulus plan. Everyone trying to see what's going on. So investors are just uncertain about the economy right now. So that's why the market is looking like that. AUD USD. So I took a loss for AUD. I got in a sell over here. As you can see, there's like consolidation. Let me show you guys a little better. There's like consolidation around this area. So as you can see, the market failed to break, but it created support. It basically created support here. So even though I was looking for sales, it created support. That's why my trade became invalid for a sell. And my stop loss, I believe, was like probably up here. And I was cool with that risk. So the market ended up coming up and retesting this area of resistance and broke it and came back down. As you can see, it broke it and retested it, came back down. But there's a lot of momentum in the market since the US dollar was weak. And now let's look at GBP USD. So GBP USD, this period just been going up all day since Asian session. This period just been going up and up. It's been going on a uptrend of Asian session, and then London session and shot up, and then New York session, it just continued to shoot up. And now we're in like Asian session currently, where the market is slowly correcting itself. But overall, it's uptrend moves for GPJPY. So let's go GPUSD. So GPUSD probably was a steal trade. It was a steal of today, I would say. So I had these lines drawn. Let me go to the hour chart so you can see better. So I had these lines drawn for like buys and sells. So the market was pretty much ready for a breakout. And when it has a breakout, it's going to go up or down depending on what happens with the targets. So in this case, throughout Eden session, the market just kept going up, strong bullish momentum. And then during London session, it just shot up and broke this trend line. So now I knew, okay, it's going to be a buy. But the market didn't come down to retest. It just kept shooting up and up and up, breaking areas of resistance and shooting up and up. So this was a crazy case. And it's probably due to like the US dollar being weak and the BRICS exit talks. So that's why this pair was a steal of the day. So this was like an abnormal case when the market was shot up all day long. Sometimes the market doesn't do that. As you can see, the market previous days it shot up and down because it's like consolidation. It finally really broke through. So right now, I'll probably wait for some retracement and look for mainly buy opportunities to be safe. But that's how I approach this trade. So overall, trade what you see now, what you think, and definitely go to investing.com to see what's going on since the coronavirus as well as stimulus talks affecting the market at a higher level. So that being said, read up on some articles so you can kind of understand what's going on. And as the article says, U.S. likely to have enough COVID-19 vaccines for all vulnerable Americans by the year end. Interesting. But yeah, so pretty much use good risk management when you trade. And sometimes it's okay to take a loss. So like right now, I took a loss here. And yeah, I kind of cut my losses real early, but I was cool with it potentially coming up here as a potential, okay, stop loss. But due to the strong momentum in the market today and with the issue of the US dollar being weakened, the market just straight took off. So it's one of them cases, it happens, but it is what it is. So to get a trade, let's say you took a loss, if you wanted to get back in the trade, you should go to a lower time frame, let's say 30 minutes. And you will see all this noise right here. Me knowing the structure, I would be like, okay. So we had this consolidation, we had this zone here, consolidation, breakout, and then breaks down, boom, boom, boom. So what I would say, since we had the consolidation here, we have this resistance and we have support, there was going to be a breakout, whether it broke down or where it broke up. In this case, it broke up because of this short area of consolidation that you see. There's consolidation here. So I took a chance to sell in this area. You know, sure I kept me my stop not up to here. So I've used this area, look at area resistance. That's my stop. I kind of just stopped it out here, but I chose not to. So in this case, I kind of got a buy entry by letting it break here when it's kind of close. I kind of got in on a buy here, had my stop loss um, down here, which is extreme, or down here. In this case, it never came back down and it hit up this target. So when you do this, you should look for zones of structures, point of resistance, because I could put my stop below this area of support. So in case the market comes down and shoots back up, I wouldn't been good for my buys. So this FYI in case, you know, if you took a loss and you want to get back in the trade. But it's good to have rules and decide like how many trades you want to take a day and what do you do if you lose or win. If you want to stay profitable in this market, because the market does be making a lot of money or it can make you lose a lot of money. So trade what you see, know what you think, should be all right. So like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. And you may know we out here. Peace.